Have you ever dreamed of living high above the bustling cities, surrounded by unparalleled luxury and breathtaking views? What if you could explore the most opulent penthouses that redefine the meaning of luxury living? Ready to discover residences that offer more than just a place to live, but a lifestyle of extravagance? Join us as we unveil the 8 most luxurious penthouses around the world, where elegance meets the sky and dreams become reality. The Penthouse at 432 Park Avenue, New York. Located in the heart of Manhattan, the Penthouse at 432 Park Avenue is a testament to architectural brilliance and luxury. Standing tall at 1,396 feet, it offers some of the most stunning views of Central Park, the Hudson River, and the entire New York skyline. Designed by Raphael Viñoly, this 96-story skyscraper redefines opulence with its minimalist yet sophisticated design. The penthouse spans over 8,000 square feet and features 6 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and a library. Floor-to-ceiling windows allow natural light to flood the expansive living spaces, highlighting the high-end finishes and bespoke details. The interiors, designed by Deborah Burke Partners, blend simplicity with luxury, creating an atmosphere of understated elegance. Residents of this penthouse enjoy access to a private restaurant, a 75-foot indoor swimming pool, a fitness center, and a spa. With its unparalleled views and luxurious amenities, the Penthouse at 432 Park Avenue represents the pinnacle of New York City living, offering an unmatched lifestyle for its fortunate inhabitants. (1000) Museum Penthouse, Miami. Designed by the legendary Zaha Hadid, the 1000 Museum Penthouse in Miami is a masterpiece of modern architecture. Spanning over 10,000 square feet, this residence offers stunning views of the Atlantic Ocean and the Miami skyline. The penthouse includes 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and a private helipad. The interiors are designed with a futuristic aesthetic, featuring custom-made furnishings, marble floors, and floor-to-ceiling windows. The master suite is a luxurious retreat, complete with a walk-in wardrobe, a marble-clad bathroom, and a private terrace. The expansive living and dining areas are perfect for entertaining, while the private elevator ensures convenience and privacy. Residents of 1000 Museum enjoy a range of exclusive amenities, including a private gym, a swimming pool, and a spa. The building's emphasis on privacy and security ensures that residents can enjoy their opulent surroundings in peace. With a price tag of $49 million, this penthouse is a testament to the height of luxury living in Miami. 1 Hyde Park Penthouse, London. Located in one of London's most prestigious addresses, the 1 Hyde Park Penthouse offers a blend of luxury, exclusivity, and sophistication. This duplex penthouse is situated in Knightsbridge, overlooking Hyde Park, and is part of the 1 Hyde Park development designed by Rogers, Stirk, Harbour and Partners. The penthouse spans over 18,000 square feet and features 5 bedrooms, a private cinema, a wine cellar, and a spa. The interiors, designed by Candy & Candy, are a blend of contemporary style and timeless elegance, with floor-to-ceiling windows offering stunning views of Hyde Park and the London skyline. The penthouse also features a private terrace, perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying the tranquil park views. Residents of 1 Hyde Park have access to world-class amenities, including a 21-meter swimming pool, a state-of-the-art gym, a private screening room, and a golf simulator. With its prime location and luxurious features, the 1 Hyde Park Penthouse offers a unique living experience in the heart of London, where elegance and exclusivity meet. Wallich Residence Super Penthouse, Singapore. Situated at the top of Guoco Tower, the tallest building in Singapore, the Wallich Residence Super Penthouse is a marvel of modern architecture and design. Spanning 3 floors and covering over 21,000 square feet, this penthouse offers a 360-degree view of the city and Marina Bay. The super penthouse features 5 bedrooms, each with ensuite bathrooms, and a master suite that includes a private garden and an outdoor terrace. The interiors are designed by the renowned firm Hirsch Bedner Associates and feature luxurious materials, bespoke furniture, and state-of-the-art technology. The living spaces are flooded with natural light, thanks to the floor-to-ceiling windows that offer breathtaking views of the cityscape. Residents of Wallich residence enjoy access to a range of amenities, including a private concierge service, a sky garden, an infinity pool, and a gym. The building also features a library, a lounge, and a dining room, providing residents with a complete lifestyle of luxury and convenience. With its prime location and unparalleled amenities, the Wallich Residence Super Penthouse is the epitome of luxury living in Singapore. La Tour Odeon Sky Penthouse, Monaco. Perched atop the Tour Odeon in Monaco, the Sky Penthouse is a symbol of opulence and luxury. This 5-story penthouse, spanning over 35,000 square feet, is one of the most expensive and exclusive residences in the world. Designed by Alexander Giraldi, the Tour Odeon offers stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea and the Monaco skyline. The Sky Penthouse features a rooftop infinity pool with a water slide, offering a unique and luxurious experience. Inside, the penthouse boasts 5 bedrooms, a private cinema, a sauna, and a fitness center. The interiors are designed with the finest materials and craftsmanship, creating a space that exudes luxury and elegance. Residents of the Sky Penthouse have access to a range of exclusive amenities, including a 24/7 concierge service, a private chauffeur, and a wellness center with a spa and gym. The building also features a business center, a lounge, and a restaurant, providing residents with a complete lifestyle of luxury and convenience. With its prime location and luxurious features, the Sky Penthouse at Tour Odeon is the epitome of high-end living in Monaco. Penthouse at the Ritz-Carlton, New York. The Penthouse at the Ritz-Carlton in New York is a symbol of elegance and luxury. Located in the iconic Ritz-Carlton building in Central Park South, this penthouse offers stunning views of Central Park and the New York skyline. Spanning over 10,000 square feet, it features 4 bedrooms, a private terrace, and a library. The interiors are designed with the finest materials and craftsmanship, creating a space that exudes luxury and elegance. The penthouse features floor-to-ceiling windows, allowing natural light to flood the living spaces and offering breathtaking views of the park and the city. The master suite includes a private terrace, a walk-in closet, and a luxurious bathroom with a soaking tub and a rain shower. Residents of the Ritz-Carlton enjoy access to a range of exclusive amenities, including a 24/7 concierge service, a fitness center, a spa, and a private dining room. The building also features a business center, a lounge, and a restaurant, providing residents with a complete lifestyle of luxury and convenience. With its prime location and luxurious features, the Penthouse at the Ritz-Carlton is the epitome of high-end living in New York City. Penthouse at the Bulgari Resort and Residences, Dubai. The Penthouse at the Bulgari Resort and Residences in Dubai is a symbol of luxury and sophistication. Located on Jumeirah Bay Island, this penthouse offers stunning views of the Arabian Gulf and the Dubai skyline. Spanning over 15,000 square feet, it features 5 bedrooms, a private terrace, and a rooftop garden. The interiors are designed with the finest materials and craftsmanship, creating a space that exudes luxury and elegance. The penthouse features floor-to-ceiling windows, allowing natural light to flood the living spaces, and offering breathtaking views of the sea and the city. The master suite includes a private terrace, a walk-in closet, and a luxurious bathroom with a soaking tub and a rain shower. Residents of the Bulgari Resort and Residences enjoy access to a range of exclusive amenities, including a 24/7 concierge service, a fitness center, a spa, and a private beach. The building also features a business center, a lounge, and a restaurant, providing residents with a complete lifestyle of luxury and convenience. With its prime location and luxurious features, the Penthouse at the Bulgari Resort and Residences is the epitome of high-end living in Dubai. The Madison Penthouse, London. Situated atop the Madison, one of London's most prestigious residential towers, the Madison Penthouse offers an unparalleled living experience. Located in Canary Wharf, this penthouse spans over 9,000 square feet and provides breathtaking views of the River Thames and the London skyline. Designed by the renowned architectural firm Make Architects, the Madison is a symbol of modern luxury and sophistication. The Madison Penthouse features 4 bedrooms, each with ensuite bathrooms, and a master suite that includes a private terrace and a walk-in closet. The interiors are a blend of contemporary design and luxurious materials, featuring high ceilings, floor-to-ceiling windows, and bespoke finishes. The living spaces are designed to maximize natural light and offer stunning views of the city. Residents of Madison enjoy access to a range of exclusive amenities, including a 24/7 concierge service, a fitness center, a spa, and a private cinema. The building also features a business center, a lounge, and a rooftop garden, providing residents with a complete lifestyle of luxury and convenience. With its prime location and luxurious features, the Madison Penthouse is the epitome of high-end living in London. As we conclude our journey through these stunning penthouses, it's clear that luxury living knows no bounds. From New York City to Monaco, these residences offer not only breathtaking views, but also a lifestyle of unparalleled opulence and sophistication. If you enjoyed this exploration, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Dwellscape. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep discovering the world's wonders with us.